up, guys? We're going canoeing. Got our bag, camera gear here, some extra batteries, swim shorts. Let's go. Alexa, turn off lights. Fall in. What's up, Callie? What's good, kitty? What's good? Woo! It's toasty out. A perfect day to go canoeing. I'm so stoked. Let's freaking go, dude. This was extremely last minute, so I'm really hoping that I have everything I need to make this happen and look awesome for you guys. But to be honest, it's possible I forgot some things. We'll figure that out as we go. It's so beautiful out though right now, no lie, dudes. Right, so we're heading over to Cole's house. We're gonna meet up with him, Rob, and my other buddy Cameron. Gonna roll out to Akrapvic Springs, go canoeing. So we got the Canon 80D, super sick Shure shotgun mic up top, the Gorilla Pod, the entire Casey Neistat vlogging setup. I'm so excited to be so close to my goals again. I got my camera set up that I've been dreaming of. So happy, and I'm so close, guys. Cannot wait. I can't even express to you how much I want to be on two wheels right now. As soon as that's gonna happen, you're gonna know about it. Thank you guys, everyone who's been supporting the channel from the beginning to now, through the thick and the thin. If you're new to the channel, thank you, I love you. Thanks for popping in. I have still been gaining subscribers while I've just been chilling here. It's so amazing. Like, I don't even know what you guys are thinking or doing, but thanks. It's been a crazy trip on YouTube with you guys. Everything from starting the channel, to the hit and run blowing up, to media coverage, to the hate, to the love, to the patrons and the supporters, to the cops and the law, to the crazy people on the internet trying to hunt me down. Whatever it was nuts, it's insane. It's been a trip and I've learned a lot, and I'm glad to be back with you guys. So, I love you. Let's get to some freaking canoeing. What up? It's freaking Rob. Is that a fire extinguisher? What is that? It's my corksicle / weapon of self-defense. Look at this guy. Hey, dude. Haven't seen you in a minute.
I know, it's good to see your camera.
What up?
Jake, I hope you film if like the canoe goes down.
Oh,
we become a disaster survival.
Oh, we got a GoPro too, so let's freaking do it.
Yes.
Tell me about today. What's happening?
Well, we're going on I-4. We're observing the lack of planning. Gosh, that's so close. No way this is a great video. I hope my mustache fits in that, or lack of. We're on I-4 experiencing great construction at a pace that I've never actually been on I-4. We're gonna go fast so that we could go slow, right? At a canoe.
That sounds like a country song.
Probably is. I'm sure it is. Need to find the beer and then we're good. So we're going canoeing.
Cool.
In 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I had no idea you could actually like come to Akrapvic Springs and not be able to get in. I hope we get in. Yeah, of course.
What the thing is, y'all, there's gonna have to be some other little activity we come up with doing to really enjoy ourselves this fine afternoon. I feel like someone we know might have a swimming pool we could dive on in.
Story time with Rob.
That's the end of the story.
It's such a good story. Go topless, bro.
Are you having to turn around or?
Yeah.
So like if you happen to be there when somebody leaves, they'll let you in?
If they go tenant.
Bye.
She said, but yeah, can you pull up? Because you're in my way. Can
That's
you
like,
stop talking
yo,
to me and move?
Let's take.
Hey dude, if we park somewhere and then walk over here,
nobody gets in where I can pass.
Cool.
Can we go in after this white car?
No. Once we hit a certain number, we'll reopen.
Cool.
Okay.
Sweet.
You know what number you're
Thanks,
at?
dude.
If you leave the park, you may not be able to.
I've got everybody waiting here, Mr. North, as soon as they can see.
Oh, this guy's yelling. Yeah, it's the guy in the RV waiting for this guy to get out of the way because he's blocking everyone. I don't know what's going on over here.
They just paid him for something.
Oh, we're doing it.
We're getting in? Are we going in?
Are we going in?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you guys can get in.
Oh.
Alright guys, have a great day.
Thanks, bud. Take it easy. Dude, we're doing it! Alright, we're gonna switch to the GoPro, head out to the canoes, and get it. Oh, that I look amazing. It's called Style. Ever heard of it? You guys got the tunes? That's what's up. That's what's up. Oh, I like it. Well done, guys. You did good. She did good. Stayed calm under pressure. Everything that we just did was amazing. I can't believe we managed to split around that person. Canoe, close call, near death experience. Rob, why don't you tell us about it?
So there we were, bro. We were on the verge of death. And then we separated our canoes and they flew right down the middle, bro.
There's spiders in there, Rob. Oh god, there's totally a spider right there.
Are we doing another drive-by of the Gator? There he is, right there, man.
Pretty good one.
Yeah, it's bigger than the last guy, that's for sure. How did that happen? Whoa! I sank! No, it's not a deep spot. It literally just, I stepped on it and then sank into it.
Dude, are you doing the thing where you freaking pull us?
Steer your water, yeah. Alright, we're going under, dude. Lay back.
Oh, God, this is the worst.
See, we got skills. Ever heard of them? That was good, dude. We maneuvered that like professionals. Did we? Get out of here. Rob's getting froggy. I don't think we can trust him anymore. That's some good smelling stuff, dude. Sometimes I miss smoking weed. Other times I'm high. Shaboinga. Getting those crispy cinematics. And we're waiting for you guys. All right? This is all part of the plan. He's gonna straighten us out. Thanks, dude.
Sorry you had to drink that hot sauce when you were a kid.
No! Dang it!
Idiot. Anyone could do that.
He's an idiot. Look how Rob, look at Rob, he's going so hard right now. All right, Cam, backwards on the right. Backwards on the right, Cam. Hook up.
You know what you're talking about, Rob.
Yes. Spin us left, and we're good. Same team, same team. But only after we're ahead. Conniving one? I'm just trying to go forward. Unlike the rest of us here. Unlike the rest of us. Do it for the vine! This is going on YouTube. You ever heard of Rpstv? Me neither. Do it. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Woo! Nice! Oh no. Woo! Nice! Are you guys not getting in the water? Cam's not getting in.
Weasel on this trip, dude.
How am I a weasel?
I
might be the weasel, but you're the wiener. Right? You don't want to do that. No, 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 no. We have too many things. Too many things I don't want flipped. That side actually almost went under the water. 3, 2, 1.
Did somebody yell hey right when we jumped? What'd you say?
Somebody did yell hey when we jumped.
I was like, what? We're not allowed to swim here. Heard that. All right, lean to the right.
What are you doing? Look at how much water that you found. Oh no! Oh no!
They're actually sinking over here.
Oh god!
You guys are sinking. He's trying to hold his phone with his mouth. They're literally sinking. Rob, you gotta help him. I can't believe, like, they were just slowly going under. They can't sink, guys, don't worry about it. There's only a few gators out there anyway. See, conducting yourself professional brings you in safe to shore. Well, gentlemen, you did it. I can't believe you were slowly paddling as you were sinking. You were just like,
The boat was going down.
Oh my gosh. What time is it, guys? 3:35. All right, well, we survived the canoe trip. Let's freaking get out of here. I'm talking to you. No, talk to me. What? Bye. Trying to think of some good, you know, YouTube video.
yeah.
I was thinking almost eaten by gator when canoe sinks. What do you think?
That'd be pretty funny.